So not only does it have the wheel lift, right, which, look at this, extends, claws open, everything. And you haven't even seen the coolest part. So if I let the winches out, you wanna go ahead and let the one out on the other side? Not only does it have the ability for the boom to go up and down and all that, but the boom extends. Look at that. That's freaking sweet. All right, you wanna pull the one closest to you? We'll just grab the bumper, we're just winching it slow. Maybe not like that.
Do you think I can go around that receiver in the middle? Like J-hook it around the receiver instead?
If you could J-hook it through the center of it,